Good morning, students. Before this, we have seen that Evans has escaped from the jail, hitting to McCleary, and this news spread all around the prison. Governor Stephens Jackson, all of them are very much puzzled, and they wanted to send McCleary to the hospital. And at that time, we have seen that the Superintendent Carter reached there. Okay, and the McCleary wanted to tell to the governor that sir, I don't want to go to hospital because I am okay, I am right, I know where Evans has gone. Okay, and he showed him a question paper. Okay, he showed him a German question paper. Okay, and also told to the governor that sir, you can see that someone has very cleverly posted superimposed pasted this question paper on the last page last this paper on the last page of the question paper. And sir, I know where he has gone, but the governor wanted to send him to the hospital because he was deeply wounded, as Evans has hit him hardly on the head, and the blood was dropping. The blood was falling from his head, and it has made his clerical color red, and the face was totally covered by the blood, and ears also covered with the blood. Okay, and then after what happened, let us try to find out. Okay, let us try to find out. Okay, the phone on his desk erupted means rang suddenly in a strident burst means loud and unpleasant noise. Okay, the phone which was on the desk, all of sudden it rang suddenly with loud and unpleasant sound, and Superintendent Carter informed him that McCleary had spotted Evans driving off along Illsfield Way, and it was informed to the governor by the Superintendent Carter that McCleary has spotted means seen. McCleary has seen Evans driving alongside the Illsfield Way, and and it was told by the Carter to the governor that McCleary has seen Evans going towards Illsfield Way. They had got the number of the car all right and had given chase immediately, and Carter also told that they had got the number of the car and they chased the car immediately, but had lost him at the Haddington roundabout. Okay, but when they reached near about the Haddington, they lost the way. He must have doubled back into the city. Okay, he must have. Okay, and he told that Evans had gone with a double speed in the city. No, said the governor. The governor said no. The governor said no. The governor said quietly. Okay, the governor said peacefully no. No, he has gone his way to Newbury. But the governor told that no, he has gone to Newbury. He explained his reason for believing so, and the governor also explained his reason why he is thinking so, and left it at that. It was police job now, and governor told that please send McCleary to hospital, and it is the job of police, not of McCleary. So send him to the hospital. He was just another good for a giggle. Good for a giggle means worthy of a laughter. Okay, worthy of laughter. ठीक है ना? And now the governor has become worthy of a laughter means हंसने की चीज़ बन गई थी. That was at all. It was everything. By the way, Carter, I hope you managed to get McCleary to the hospital all right. Okay, and the governor said to Carter, I think that you will manage to get McCleary to the hospital, to made McCleary to the hospital. All right, yes, he is in the Radcliffe now, and he told that I am in the Radcliffe now, really groggy, confused. He was totally confused when he got to the examination offices. When he reached to the examination office, and they rang for the ambulance from there, and from there they rang for the ambulance. They called for the ambulance. The governor, okay, the governor rang at the Radcliffe for a few minutes later and asked for the accident department, and the governor rang the Radcliffe for a few minutes. After few minutes later, the governor rang the Radcliffe and asked for the accident department, and he asked for the accident department. Yes. And McCleary, you say, and he told that he is McCleary and he is a person. I don't think there is anyone. I don't think there is anyone. Okay, I don't think. Okay, once again, here I would like to explain to the students, to you students, that here the governor has rang to the Radcliffe after few minutes later, and he asked for the accident department. Okay, and he asked for the accident department. What do you mean by accident department? Okay, accident department से उसने बात की. Okay, and he told that McCleary, you say. Okay, and accident department asked that you are saying that McCleary. Yes, he is a person, and he is a person means father of church. He is the father of church. He is the father of church. I don't think that there was anyone. Okay, and he got answer. The governor got answer that I think it was answer that was given from the Radcliffe, that I think that there is not such type of person. Yes, there is. But the governor said yes. Yes, there is. You will find out of your ambulance picked him up from Ilsfield way about. Okay, Ilsfield way about. ठीक ना. And he said that ambulance, your ambulance has brought, you will come to know that your ambulance has brought to McCleary near about the Ilsfield way. Oh, that you. Yes, we send an ambulance, all right. Okay, then the Radcliffe told him that okay, yes, that we sent an ambulance, all right, but when we got there. Okay, and he said that we sent the ambulance, and when we reached there, but when we got there, we reached there, the fellow had gone. The fellow had escaped from there. No one seemed to know where he was, and I have asked from many people about McCleary, but no one have given answer that he had seen or not seen. Just vanished, just disappear from there. Not a sign, and not a sign of that man. There was not a sign of that man. But the governor was no longer listening. But the governor was not listening, and the truth seemed to hit him with almost physical impact somewhere in the back of his neck. Okay, and the truth seemed to hit him, and it seemed that the truth was hitting him. Almost physical impact somewhere in the and this truth was hitting him just like anyone hit to any person physically. So this truth was physically hitting him. Okay, on the back of his neck. Okay, a quarter of an hour later, they found the Reverend S. McCleary securely bound and gagged. Securely bound means tightly bound, बांधा हुआ है in हिंदी में, अच्छी तरह से बांधा हुआ. And a quarter of an hour later, after 15 minutes, they come to know means the governor come to know that Reverend McCleary has been bound, securely bound, tightly bound and gagged, and his mouth was closed. Something was stuffed in his mouth. Okay, means in Hindi उसके मुंह में कुछ डाल दिया गया था, उसको बांध दिया गया था in Hindi. Okay, securely bound and gagged, something put in his mouth, or mouth was closed. Okay, in his study in Broad Street, in his study room, in the room of study. Okay, here means I would like to tell to the readers that, my dear students, here the writer wants to tell that when the governor checked everything, he come to know after 15 minutes that it was not McCleary who came for the invigilation, because they found that McCleary was securely tied, बांध दिया गया था, securely tied, and his mouth was closed, means something was stuffed, or his mouth was closed by something. Okay, and the invigilator was not McCleary at all. Okay, and he was in the Broad Street in his study room. Okay, he had been there, he said, since 8:50 am, and McCleary was in his study room since 18:15 am, when two men had called, ठीक है ना. Okay, and two men had come to him. Okay, two men had come to him. Inquiries in Newbury throughout the afternoon produced nothing. Produced nothing. Okay, the inquiry was made. The inquiry was made in Newbury throughout the afternoon, but they got nothing. They got not any clue of Evans. Nothing at all. Okay, not a single clue they found. Not a single hint. Not a single sign of Evans was found there in Newbury, and by tea time everyone in the prison knew what had happened, and by the tea time everyone came to know that what has happened in HM prison. It had not been Evans impersonating McCleary. Impersonating means disguising. Disguising means भेष बदलना. It was not it had not been Evans impersonating McCleary, but who had walked out. It had been Evans impersonating McCleary who had stayed in. Here the writer wants to say that it was not Evans who had disguised himself just like McCleary and went out of the jail, went out of the prison, but it was Evans who was personating McCleary. Okay, in Hindi here I would like to tell to the readers that okay, ये इवांस नहीं था जो मैकलेरी का रोल अदा कर रहा था, ये इवांस नहीं था. इट हैड नॉट बीन इवांस इम्पर्सनेटिंग मैकलेरी. मीन्स टू से ये इवांस मैकलेरी का भेष बनाकर बाहर नहीं भागा था, बल्कि मैकलेरी का भेष बनाकर इवांस जेल के अंदर था. ओके, हेयर आई वुड लाइक टू टेल इट वाज नॉट इवांस who has disguised himself just like McCleary and went out of the prison. No, it was Evans who has disguised himself just like McCleary and remained in the jail, remained in the prison, remained in the prison. Okay, remained in the prison. Okay, it had been Evans. Okay, who had stayed in. Okay, the fish and chips. Okay, and the fish and the chips. The fish and the chips were delicious. Delicious means tasty. The fish and the chips were delicious. And after a gentle stroll means walk. Stroll means walk. After a gentle walk round the center of the Chipping Norton, taking a walk around the center of the Chipping Norton, Evans decided to return to the hotel, and it was decided by Evans that I would like to return to the hotel and have an early night, okay, and early night he returned to the hotel. A smart new hat concealed the wreckage of his closely cropped hair. Wreckage means remains. Remains means the hairs which was he has cut his hair short. Evans has cut his hair very short because he wanted to disguise himself just like McCleary, so he has cut his hair short. Okay, he has cut his hair short. Here is one word, wreckage. Wreckage means remains. Okay, and he was having a very smart hat, and by that hat he has made hidden his closely cut hair, and he kept it on as he walked up to the reception desk of the Golden Lion, and he kept it on, and he was wearing his hat. He was wearing his hat. He was wearing his hat. Okay, okay, and his short hair was under the head and under the hat, so no one can see. And when he walked to the reception desk, he was having his hat. Okay, it would take a good while for the hair to regain its former glories. Okay, and he was thinking that it will not take longer time, that my hair will become long, and it will get its former glory, means it will become long. Okay, what the hell did the matter, he was out again. Okay, and he is not bothering about all these things, that his hairs become short. Okay, it will regain its height within short span of time, but now he was happy that he was out of the jail again. Okay, a bit of bad luck. His luck was not too good. Okay, that when Jackson had pinched his seizure, okay, his luck was not good because his seizure was stolen. ठीक है ना, his seizure, pinched means stolen. His seizure was stolen by Jackson, Okay, for it had meant a long and tricky operation. A long and tricky operation. Okay, means it was a very tiresome and clever process. It was very tiresome and clever process that with his only razor made the previous night, and he has made his hair short with the razor. Previous night he has made his hair short by the razor. Okay, by the razor. Okay, by the razor blade previous night. But he did had his good luck, but his good luck was with him. His good luck was too good. Just think, if Jackson had made him take his bobble hat off. Okay, as you have come to know in my previous lecture that it was Jackson who was forcing to Evans to put out the filthy hat, but Evans said that this hat is very lucky for me. This is a pimp of luck for me, so he has not put out that hat. Okay, and suppose that if Jackson had made his bobble hat means small woolly hat. Suppose that Jackson had made his woolly and small hat out of his head. Oh, that really had been a close call. That has really almost a disaster. Means तबाही मच जाती. Still, old Jackson was not such a bad fellow, but at all, Jackson was not a bad fellow. Okay, one of the worst thing, and funny really, and the things which was worst and very funny for him was that had been the beard, and very funny and worst thing was the beard. He had always been allergic to the sticking plaster, and Evans was having an allergy from the sticking of plaster, and even now his chin and irritatingly sore and red, and now his chin has become red. And there was a wound. Okay, and the receptionist was not the same girl. Who did booked him too. Okay, and when he reached to the reception, he found that the receptionist was not the same girl who has booked the room. But his change was definitely for the better. But okay, now the receptionist was changed, but this change was something better. As he collected his key, and he collected the key from the reception, and he gave her his best smile, and Evans smiled to see the receptionist. Okay, and Evans smiled to see the receptionist and told her he would not be bothering with the breakfast, and told her that please don't send me breakfast because I would not like to bother about the breakfast. Okay, I would not like to bother about the breakfast. Okay, and ordered the Daily Express, and he ordered to send him to Daily Express, the newspaper, and asked for an early morning call at 6:40 a.m. Tomorrow was going to be a busy schedule. And he asked that I would like to wake up early in the morning because my tomorrow schedule is going to be very busy. So I would like to rise early at 6:40 a.m. Please call me at 6:45 a.m. because my schedule will be very busy. Okay guys, Thank you and have a nice day. I think that this is sufficient for today, and within 2 lectures we are going to finish it, and then after we will discuss about the question and answer. Okay, if you are having any problem anywhere, you can ask freely. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.